Sitefinity Insight is an integrated analytics platform for advanced digital analysis and journey optimization. It equips you with the essential tools to gather audience intelligence and manage content personalization and optimizations. Ultimately, it lets you efficiently engage and easily convert visitors. This video will walk you through lead scoring, highlighting the latest enhancements to the reporting user interface and the advanced scoring based on content classification and negative rules. Lead scoring helps marketers and content owners model the marketing funnel and get invaluable insights into how likely your visitors are to engage. Lead scoring data is a great asset for your sales team. Plus, it lets you plan and implement content personalization to deliver more compelling experiences and drive conversions. After a recent facelift, the options in the left navigation menu are now conveniently grouped for a more intuitive and cohesive workflow. The lead scoring UI opens to a list of all the reports you've set up, but you need to dig deeper into the data to start discovering the novelties. The lead scoring report now displays stats in a way that's more comfortable to read and absorb. The user interface design and the overall layout are now more consistent across the Sitefinity administration backend and Sitefinity Insight. Other than that, the lead scoring report has the familiar primary metrics: visitors per stage and threshold passes per day. Visitors per stage displays the current distribution of visitors across the funnel stages. The big donut chart shows the visitor total, with tooltips on hover indicating the number per each stage. The smaller charts on the side break down the distribution by stage. Threshold passes is an area chart showing the number of visitors that have passed a stage daily. Hovering on a point will show the detailed stats for that day. This chart can also display data for different periods of time via the drop-down on the top right below the report title. An important note here is that the visitors per stage chart is static. It always shows the current distribution of leads and is not controlled by the time range select. The lead stages are conveniently color-coded on both charts for a comfortable at-a-glance overview. Rules based on content classification, or taxonomy rules for short, are an easy way to qualify visitors based on the type of content they browse using tags and categories. You can create rules and award points to visitors who interact with specific content. Basically, the content they're interested in qualifies them as potential prospects for a certain type of product. Adding a rule is quite straightforward, and you can also choose whether it applies to all or just some of your lead scoring types. And it's flexible enough to let you assign a different amount of points to the different type of leads that interact with any given content category or tag. This new feature allows a scoring model that's a lot easier to maintain and saves you the tedious manual entry of multiple page URLs as you define your lead scoring rules. Taxonomy rules in lead scoring are supported in Sitefinity version 13.2 and above. Negative lead scoring is another handy feature that adds to the flexibility of Sitefinity Insight. For one, negative rules in lead scoring are now consistent with negative scoring for personas, which has been available for a while now. More importantly, though, it allows a more refined and efficient lead scoring model. By entering negative values, you now basically create lead scoring rules that deduct points from visitors based on specific behavior and interaction with content. This way, you can demote or even remove leads if they perform an action that disqualifies them. For example, if a specific type of visitor hits the careers page on your website, they're not likely interested in a purchase. Sitefinity Insight works seamlessly with any Sitefinity website and has all the essential tools you need to make the most of your marketing campaigns and efficiently engage your audience. Stay tuned for more Getting Started videos to discover the full range of capabilities of both Sitefinity and Sitefinity Insight. Visit progress.com/Sitefinity-CMS for more resources and the latest updates. And if you're new to Sitefinity, you're welcome to start your free trial or schedule a demo. Thank you for watching.